Hi guys, so I wanted to pop on really quick and just give you a little bit of an update. It is the 22nd of May, 22nd of May, and we are leaving on May 24th. I know that is a day early. Then we will find out if BC is going to let us go through, but we're hoping that there'll be enough lifted restrictions that we should be able to be okay. I'm in my mom's garage at the moment, and I wanted to show you kind of where we were at. So I'm going to flip the camera around and give you a little update. So we have our gear. This is Chris's bags and my bags all set up, ready to go. We also have this big, huge duffel bag that carries our bear bag and our tent. That stuff will all fit on Chris's bike when we get to Vancouver, but and then that is the computer travel bag. Over here we have our trikes, and right now they are all folded and ready to go. So this one is Chris's, and we've attached the flags underneath his boom so that they are like they're just zip tied to Chris's trike, because they were longer than any of our bags. So we were able to zip tie them to Chris's trike so that they're out of the way and they're coming with us. And then my trike is also strapped in and ready to go. We've added these yoga straps. Here, I'll lift that. So we've added these yoga straps so that when we're at the airport, we can just lift them up a little bit. Not that much maybe, but we can lift them up a little bit and just pull them with us and stuff. And we're gonna bubble wrap any of the sections that will hit the ground so that it's a little bit more protected. But yeah, so anyways, we're ready. We are super ready to go. And so that is my trike, and then this is Chris's trike. And yeah, so we have those. We have all of our camera gear and all of that kind of stuff. Oh, one of our alarms went off. Camera gear and trike stuff all ready to go. And then, so these bags are all connected together with carabiners, and then we're going to wrap the handles together with some hockey tape, probably when we get to the airport, because we don't know if we can leave them together when we put them back in, or when we put them in the car. So yeah, so that is it. We're ready to go. So anyways, I just wanted to do an update, and we will see you guys on the road in a few days.
Hey everyone, I'm just showed up in Vancouver. Gonna go grab my bags and bike and Lindsay's bike and all that stuff. I'll be seeing Lindsay in a couple hours or so. And yeah, the plane trip was fairly uneventful. absolutely no view, just clouds. I'm going to go and set up both me and Lindsay's bikes, and hopefully we'll all be put together by the time she gets here. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe show you me doing some of the bikes. Bye for now. All right, guys, as you can see, here's Hopper all done up, or pretty much. I was gonna pump up the tires, throw the flags on, but I don't have a knife to cut them off of the boom of the bike. As you can see, they're down there. Also waiting on a couple pieces that are in the bags of Lindsay's. And then there's Lindsay's bike back there. I'm gonna put that one together here while I wait for Lindsay. Should be here in about another hour or so.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
All right, guys. Well, if you can see, we're in Stanley Park, and that is the Lions Gate Bridge. Right there, right on the top of the frame. We are going to be crossing that later on, shortly after we go and dip our tires in the ocean here. Anyways, do a little bit more filming here along the beach. Well, what is this called? The water wall? I don't remember. We'll find it.
Well, isn't there a sign right there? English Bay Seawall.
Oh, the seawall, yeah. Okay.
Oh, this is a seawall, and we can go to the English Bay via the seawall.
Yeah. Okay.
And the third beach. Are we going to the third beach?
Third beach or second beach? I'm not sure which one.
Whichever one. We're going to go there, and we're going to dip our tires. So we will see you there.
Yep. Hard on the brake. Last thing we want to do is going into the ocean.
Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high.
We are at the hotel, and Chris is loading the trikes in. Hopefully.